As a maintenance and reliability leader, you know it takes a lot to keep a facility working smoothly. You're constantly facing issues like equipment failure, available parts inventory, inefficiencies, team safety, and compliance regulations. Save time and reduce downtime by integrating condition monitoring sensor data into eMaint CMMS software. Maximize productivity, fuel insights, and share information with your team by creating work orders, managing resources, and tracking asset data remotely. With the integration of eMaint CMMS, Fluke Connect vibration sensors, and power monitoring devices, you can optimize your facility to have continuous remote data delivered to your smart device or desktop. Stay connected to your assets with Fluke sensors and eMaint CMMS. Learn more at fluke.com/data integration.